Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, whenever and wherever you are watching this video from. So we are going to answer this question 11 of 2019, and this is Earth geometry. Okay, so without further ado, let's get started. The points P, Q, R, and T are on the surface of the Earth as shown in the diagram below. Take pi as 3.142 and the radius of the Earth to be 37 nautical miles. This is what we are given here. Then this is the diagram. The first question is saying, find the difference in longitude. Key is what? Longitude here. Find the difference in longitude between points T and R. This is T and this is R. Okay? And it's just 2 marks. So, this is what we're going to do. We are asked to find the difference in longitude between points T and R. So, you're going to ask yourself, so this is question, okay? This is question 11A. And the first question is saying, find the difference in longitude. So, T is on longitude what? Longitude 90 degrees. So, it's 90 degrees west. Okay, then the other one is on what? 45 degrees east. Okay, so these are longitudes, lines that run from north to south or south north. Right? Okay, so now opposite sides you add. So here you're going to add 90 degrees plus 45 degrees, and you're going to have what's the answer? 130 what? 135 degrees, and this is the answer. Don't add east west or west east, just add degrees. That's it. Okay, then question 2, or this is 1. Okay, 1. Then 2, find in nautical miles the distance between PQ. So this is the latitude, okay? This is the circle of latitude and the distance along the line of what? Latitude. So now what is the formula for calculating the distance along the line of latitude? Okay, so this is very simple. In latitude, we use the formula. Distance we're going to use PQ is equals to theta over what? 360 degrees times what? 2 pi r cos what? Cos x. Okay? Cos x. Now, you have to be very careful here. What? Since PQ is latitude, right?
Yes.
So, this theta will be the difference in
Longitude.
Do you know that the difference in longitude between T and R is the same as P at P and Q? Because they are on the same what? Longitude, eh?
Yes.
So P is on 90, Q is on what? 45, still more. Still we are going to add 90 plus 45, which is just 135. Okay? Then let's substitute. So 135 degrees over 360 times 2 times 3.141. 142 times, what is the radius? We are given in nautical miles at 3437 multiplied by, then cos what? Cos x. What is x? X is the latitude in which P and Q are. P and Q are on which latitude? 65. So we're going to write 65 what? Degrees. Okay, someone to pass everything on the calculator.
3,422.
3,420.
2.90.
0.908072. Okay. What does the rule or the instruction state? If you find a number which is not a whole number, the answer which is not a whole number, we leave the answer in what? 3 significant what? Figures. So when you count here, this is 1, 2, 3. Okay?
Yes.
So these two will drop. This is what, less than 5. We can't add anything to this one, right?
Yes.
So this 2 becomes what?
0.
0. Then this one remains as what?
2.
This one,
4.
this one.
3.
This is 3 significant what? Figures. What are the units? Nautical,
Mouse.
which is just N what?
M.
NM. Okay?
Yes.
Okay? Nautical miles NM. Alright. The second question is saying find PT. Oh, this one, distance. Now this distance is along what?
Longitude.
Longitude. So what you do along the line of longitude, it is very simple. The formula is different.
Different.
Yes, the formula is different. So this is 3. Okay, this is number 3. Oh, it's 2B. This is 2. This is 2A. So this one is what? 2B.
Yes.
Okay. So the formula for distance along the line of longitude is PT, right?
Yes.
PT is equals to theta over 360 degrees times 2 pi r. That's it. Capital letter R, right?
Yes.
Okay. That's it. It's as simple as this. You don't add cos x. You add cos x if you are calculating what distance along the line of what?
Latitude.
Latitude. Great. Okay. So theta, since this is longitude, then the theta will be the difference in
Latitude.
latitude. Let's find theta here first. Let's check. P is on which latitude? 65. T is on 55. So the other one is on the north, the other one is, and the other one is what? On the south. So you add, 65 plus 50 what? 55. So theta 65 plus 55. So what is theta?
120.
120 degrees. Okay. Now PT is equals to 120 degrees over 360 degrees times 2 times 3.142. Don't waste time. Okay, when you're writing, you have to be sharp and very fast and accurate. Then radius is 3437. That's it, Okay. PT is equals to
7,199.
7,199. Point 369 333. Okay. Then still 3 significant what? Figures, Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Are we together? This is number 3. So we're going to add 1 to this 9,
Yes.
Okay, and this 9, the first 9 here becomes what? 0. What is 9 plus 1?
10.
So 0 carry.
1.
Then you add that one to this one, it becomes what?
2.
So it becomes 7,002 what? 200 nautical NM, nautical miles. Okay? Nautical miles, and this is the answer. Are we together?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Okay? Okay. That's it to this question. Okay? And it's 6 marks. Now, let's review our work shortly. If you've noticed that you find that sometimes you may use 180 here. Now when you use 180, it means that you need to eliminate these 2. Because 2 here is 1, 2 and 1, 360, 180.
Yes.
That's the same. You still find the same what? The same answer. Are we together? But use what you know. What you already know. Don't get confused in the exam. This is 6 marks, and you have to be very, very sharp and fast when calculating. Okay.